Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm going to show you quickly, after my 10 by 10 inch canvas, that I have a pan full of colors that came off my last bloom, and I'm really thinking that I would like to experiment. I'm not sure I'm going to say this right, but there's another artist doing palette knife transfers, and I think her handle is Winterstrom. It may even be a last name. I see that thing that does not belong. And so I want to try what she tries after I take that thing out of there. It does not belong. And wipe off my stainless steel tweezers available on my Amazon link under my link tree under the video. Alright, so let's let some of this go. And I saw that other thing in there. I thought I did. Yeah, there is something. Not anymore. All gone now. Alright. So, I'll try and find the colors from the last video, which was torture, by the way. I'm going to grab a smaller palette knife. I'm inclined to use some cell activator. We'll see how I feel about that in a minute. I don't think I'm doing myself any justice at all trying to hold onto the pan with paint. Whoops. That's my world's smallest blower being turned on by accident. Let's put this right over here. Use a little gold cell activator, which is PBO or PBO, not sure, but it's iridescent. And then I'll use some black because I can. It's Amsterdam black and Aussie Floetrol. Got some interesting cells. I've got some orange. Where'd you... That's it, right there. Liking those cells. I'm not sure I have enough paint on my canvas. I am keeping a studio rag so I can wipe things off. Some gold and some black. I'm thinking about using the larger palette knife again. And a skewer. I actually have a skewer I put aside for just this moment. Now I'm going to try a little spin. And I'm pretty sure I can put other colors on the edge if I want to. Maybe one more go with the black. Right over there on that other side. And pull some paint toward the edge because I can. Now should I tip it? Just to try and cover the canvas to see what can happen. Feeling like it would be kind of cool to bring up some more white in places. And I'm going to use my dump tray. And I'm going to move some paint around. Let's see if there's anything else I want to do. As far as the black goes, and I kind of do. Who knew this could be so much fun? I'll let that go to the edge. Pull that down. I think I want some more over here. I think I want some right there too. I don't know if I can get away with that, but I'm going to try. I really think I can probably take any and all of the paint in my pan, except for that thing that I'm dragging, which needs to go away, and just add it to the picture. Before tipping the next time. Oh, come back. Take my white. Yeah, it's all just instinctive at this point. But it's kind of cool. And I am having a really good time. Thinking I want a whole bunch. I'm going to have a mess to clean up no matter what I do. There, I kind of like that. I certainly have enough paint in my pan so that I could do something. Usually the next move is to stretch by spinning, but I don't really have a great spinner. So I think I'm just gonna stretch by tipping. Yeah, flourish. And I think I might like it. And it was a good experiment. It was fun. I like what happens when you pull the palette knife through if you're careful. Alright, I can't torch because it's house paint. I will be touching up my edges after you're gone, for sure, because I have plenty of paint on all kinds of surfaces. I think this here needs an adjustment for me. Just my husband talking to himself again. I wonder if I'll ever get used to that. There we go. So I love you guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm happy to entertain you. If I can do so and inspire you, then that's fabulous. This is kind of too messy to really be able to show it to you very easily. But maybe I'll just drop it right down and move this off for now. Make sure there's nothing really big like that. Whatever that is. Come here thing. I have no idea what that was. Anyway, I want a torch, but I shouldn't. But I do like what I've got, and it was fun to play with. And there will be more experiments, I promise. And I want to just keep taking the paint I see in the... It doesn't matter if my edges were black or gray. They're probably going to be gray. And if I have a little spot anywhere that's empty, I'll just stick my finger in it. I think the paint has Yak 800 by Golden in it, which means as long as I put 25% in there, I should be all set. There we go. Okay, I still want a torch. I can see one cell over here and it's really weird. I'm going to have to check for bubbles. I just popped one. You probably shouldn't torch. Anyway, I'll see you guys anon. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. And check under the video for my link tree with all my links on it. For Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Not on this technique yet, but it's coming. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. Please share my videos if you have a mind to. Thank you for your comments. They keep my morale boosted. Thank you for your donations. They help keep me painting. I really appreciate that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit better. There's not much point, in my opinion to shimmer that at you, because the only thing that's going to shimmer is going to be that purple. But I suppose I could try it. There is some fire and ice in there too. But I do really like the patterns. Very cool. And thank you to my inspiration. And I'll try and find her name and convey it to you, because I know she follows me on Instagram, and I think I followed her back. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'll talk to you another time. Bye for now. Priscilla out.